Happy New Year, everyone! I just reached Publica because I'm meeting my brother and his family here. They came all the way from Perlis. Wow. Right now I'm gonna finish off my makeup. I haven't done my lips yet and I just realized I forgot the mascara, but it's fine. Let's do the lips first. I am vlogging using my new phone, the iPhone 17. I just got the base model because I only want to pay very minimal every single month. I think this is a good enough model for me because previously I was using iPhone 13, so this is still a big jump, and I already have 2 cameras, and I think the base model is perfect and something that I can actually afford and don't mind paying every single month. For the lips, we are going to use 3 lip liners. The first one is the one from Makeup Forever in the color Anywhere Caffeine. I'm gonna line my whole lips with this color. Alright, the second one, I'm gonna use Charlotte Tilbury in the color Iconic Nude. This is just to balance out the warmth of the Anywhere Caffeine. I usually pair the lip liner with the other one, Wherever Walnut, but I couldn't find the shade, so I'm using Iconic Nude instead. Okay, the last one is also from Makeup Forever in the color Endless Cacao. I'm just using this to contour my lips. And line lightly around my lips, just tiny bit like this. I don't want this lip to be too dark. Blend a little bit with my finger. I'm gonna do the same on the upper lips, just like a lightly line my lip with this color. I think that's good enough. First lipstick, we're gonna use the Geo one. I'm just gonna dab because I want the base to be a bit brownish. This one is also almost done. I'm just gonna dab it in the middle of my lips, like so. I feel like the color red is so flattering on my lips. This is my final look. I don't think I need the mascara, to be honest. It looks softer this way. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna bring inside my bag. This is just a small bag from Marc Jacobs. I think I'm gonna do more contents about handbags because I work in a company that sell handbags like this, even though we're not selling this brand anymore. But yeah, so the first one will be my card holder. She's really beat up, but she's still doing her job. I have this card case for almost 10 years now. This is from Coach, so we're gonna bring this one. Obviously powder, and my phone, I'm gonna bring that as well, but I'm using the full lip liners. The lipstick that I use, my car key, this lip oil as well in case my lips get dry. I think that's all, to be honest. It's small, but it carries a lot. I still have some space to put more things, but this size is just nice. just got home. It is 12 midnight at the moment. I have showered and I want to go to sleep because I am so tired. It was a lot of activities today. Driving back and forth was 2 hours from my place to the city. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of unboxing. I got this set quite a few months ago, but I haven't opened it yet. I don't know why. The only thing that I will buy from HK2 is the essence. So this is the essence. Got the smallest size because it is very expensive. I used to buy a bigger size before, but this is what I can afford at the moment, so this will do. I love this essence. I've been using this since I was 25 years old, and then I stopped using it. When I was using this, my skin looked so good. This was marketed as a glass skin skincare since I think 20 years ago, since glass skin was not even a thing yet. So inside the box you get the essence, obviously. I think this is 75 ml. I think this could last me for at least 3 months. I've got this cleanser. I haven't tried the cleanser yet before. Skin Power Advanced Airy Cream. I've used this before and it was fabulous. Of course, I haven't repurchased it because the price was insane, but at the time I was so into skincare and I was willing to spend a lot of money on skincare. But this is really good. I can put them in my gym bag. Wash my face and we are gonna use the essence. When I was at the counter, the salesperson told me to use this with a cotton pad. They have their own cotton pad, which is very incredible because you can just put a little bit of this essence and pat your whole face because the cotton doesn't absorb the essence. This is how it looks like. 3 drops on the palm of my hand. I think that's enough. It's a very hot commodity, so you don't want to waste it. So on my hand, I'm just gonna press it. Oh, I miss the smell. Some people do not like the smell, but I enjoy the smell because I know this smell, this scent is gonna be good on my skin. Now we're gonna finish the rest of my skincare. So that is my skincare routine done. I do not do a lot because I have to take care of my skin barrier, and so far it has been quite good because I haven't got any bad acne in a while. I was having a lot of acne I think 2 weeks ago, but then I stopped drinking the protein powder. I think that was one of the reasons why I got a bad breakout, and also I have started using this product again because this product is so good for damaged skin barrier. I stopped using it before because I have finished the first bottle and it took so long to get another one because you cannot get it here. So I think I'm starting to use my inner voice now because I am preparing myself to sleep. And yes, so that concludes this vlog today, where I vlogged my whole day using my new phone, the iPhone 17. And I think that's all from me. I'm gonna go to sleep now. And again, Happy New Year, and I hope that this year will be brighter and better for all of us. And that's all from me today. Good night. Bye.